When we grew up, we learned that family is safe, home is safe, school is safe. But today, if you see, your child could be in the boundaries and security of your house and still be victimized.
Advocate Kamaljeet Kaur Muni is a practicing criminal lawyer with a strong focus on cybercrime and digital safety. She works extensively on issues involving cyber offences against women and children, combining legal expertise with on-ground advocacy. Today, she tells us about cybercrime and educating children about online safety.
As adults, if we are facing some kind of crime, we know what to do. But with children, वो तो पहले ही डर जाते हैं कि हम घर पे बताएं या नहीं बताएं, because their biggest fear is मम्मी डांट देगी, मेरा डिवाइस चला जाएगा, मेरा इंस्टा हैंडल चला जाएगा. That's their world.
स्कूल्स में क्या ये सब्जेक्ट होना चाहिए आजकल?
What children need to be taught is how you need to keep yourself safe when you are online. Today, the predator is not actually hacking into the phone. He's hacking into the emotion. Loneliness, being bullied. When a child is in that state of mind, and then when a child meets somebody online who tells that, oh, you know what, I totally get you. Your parents are not understanding.
What is the responsibility of the platforms in this behavior that is being seen?
To ensure that they have security by design and not outsource it to parents.
What is digital parenting?
Digital parenting is not about saying कि बताओ तुम्हारा phone क्या देख रहे हो तुम. It's not about that, because you know your child will always outsmart you. We need to tell our children that if you ever find yourself in trouble, we are there to help you. The predator is not on some scary website. The child must be on a learning platform. The child must be on some school group. Now the predators are also hanging out there only. They first establish a connect simply by saying nice play. Now, when this becomes like a friendship, and Dheere se gets the child to come on a private chat, and now here the child is completely in the trap. There are numbers where such children have committed suicide.
What is their motive? Like, is it just cheap thrills or is it money? What is it?
See, many a times money hai. Like when I say CSAM, what they do is they create and they circulate, and you know that's money.
And they extort.
They're extra. But there are also people who just do it for fun. Also, you know, there are these groups जहाँ पर the grosser the thing that you've managed to get out of the child, the more cred you have in your circle.
Oh my God.
Internet is inevitable. Technology is inevitable. It's going to happen. Your child should be aware. You never banned crossing road. You taught how to cross a road.
And what is the dark web? ये किसका फोन बजा? आपका साइलेंट है ना?
हाँ, silent है.
इसी का होगा, जोगिंदर का ही होगा. पूरा नाम क्या है आपका?
कमलजीत कौर मुनी. आई नो. फिर उसके बीच में उन्होंने कमलजीत कौर पथिक. मुझे पथिक का नाम बता दो बीच में. ये मेरा नाम है.
Hi Kamal.
Hello.
Today we're going to talk about a very, very interesting topic.
Yes.
And also a topic which not many understand.
True.
So cyber security and specially focused towards kids.
Yes.
तो सबसे पहले बताइए कि क्यों important है cyber security बच्चों के लिए?
So I think Chavi, it's a very good topic that you've chosen of. Cybersecurity, you know, we hear a lot about it. We are all on the cyberspace. But I think it's high time now we start talking about this, especially in the context of children. Because, you know, honestly, the whole arena has come the way we did not expect it to come. You know, children were playing outside until yesterday, and suddenly now they are on their devices.
Yeah.
Like, you know, when we grew up, we learned that family is safe, home is safe, school is safe. But today, if you see, your child could be in the boundaries and security of your house and still be victimized.
Absolutely.
You would be sitting, your child would be sitting next to you, and you wouldn't even realize that some stranger is actually talking to your child. And I'll tell you, as adults, if we are facing some kind of crime, we know what to do. You know, eventually we will go to the police and do something about it. But with children, वो तो पहले ही डर जाते हैं कि हम घर पे बताएं या नहीं बताएं, because their biggest fear is
मम्मी डांट देंगी.
मम्मी डांट देगी, मेरा डिवाइस चला जाएगा, मेरा इंस्टा हैंडल चला जाएगा. That's their world. So they don't even know who to talk to. They talk to their friends जिनको भी उतनी ही समझ है. So I think they're just going deeper and deeper, and then it's so late that it scars them for the rest of their lives. So I think it's an important topic. I think जितना parents को, guardians को, teachers को समझने की ज़रूरत है, even children need to understand. Now that we've given them a device, you know, जब वो छोटे थे, I remember I teaching my son how to cross the road. वो सिखाया. Now when he grows up and he wants to drive, I'll first enroll him to a driving school. पर हमने एक डिवाइस दे दिया है जो कि एक पूरी दुनिया है और उसको बताया भी नहीं है what is to be done, what is not to be done, what is safe, what is not safe, what is to be done if you're stuck in a situation. Without saying all that, we've handed over a supercomputer in a child's hand. जहाँ पे predators है, people are there just to take advantage. I think hence it's a very important topic. Awareness is the key. And I think it's a topic to be discussed and everybody
I
should
want to
know.
say कि even as adults we don't know जो questions आपने पूछे कि हमें बच्चों को बताने चाहिए सिखाना
Yeah.
चाहिए हमें खुद ही नहीं पता.
I agree. So parents have given the device and I don't blame them really. I think because we are the first generation of parents who are bringing up children in this kind of a
Correct.
world. Right? ये बच्चे जो है वो टेक्नोलॉजी में बड़े हुए हैं. उन्होंने बचपन से सब टेक्नोलॉजी के ऊपर ही देखा हुआ है. यहाँ तक कि उनका स्कूल भी उस पर है काफ़ी सारा. Hence, parents don't know what to do and hence they are giving the device. So I think awareness ही नहीं है parents को, guardians को, teachers को and hence it needs to be created. So
But ये I'll just tell you आपकी जो वो book है ना जो एक छोटी सी book आपने मुझे दी थी which you've written.
Think you're secure, think
वो
again.
बच्चों के जो terms वाली जो book थी.
Right, Slanglish, yes.
Slanglish. My daughter read it. I still haven't read it.
हाँ.
And she really found it very relevant.
Yeah.
Because उसमें काफ़ी सारे ऐसे terms हैं जो बच्चे आजकल यूज़ करते हैं जो
Correct.
हमें नहीं पता होते हैं.
Right.
तो I just recently came back from a vacation with the kids and
Yeah.
she taught me this term called soup doop cool. This is soup doop cool.
Yeah.
And I'm like, oh, abs. So she's like, abs क्या होता है? Abs कुछ भी नहीं होता है. I said, absolutely.
Yeah.
She's like, Mama, please, there is no such
Don't
word.
create your own stuff.
Yeah, soup doop is a term.
Yeah.
So I'm saying कि बच्चों को हमसे ज़्यादा पता होता है आजकल दुनिया में
Yes.
क्या चल रहा है.
Yes.
तो हम क्या ही सिखाएं उन्हें because हम खुद ही बेबी स्टेप्स ले रहे हैं सीखने के लिए.
Yeah.
सूप डूप जैसे वर्ड्स हमें
Yeah.
समझ नहीं आ रहे.
Yeah.
RN का मतलब राइट नाउ होता है हमें समझ नहीं आ
Yeah.
रहा है तो हम खुद ही सीख रहे हैं.
Correct.
So I want to ask you कि schools में क्या ये सब्जेक्ट होना चाहिए आजकल?
So see, that's also another very good question, Chavi. I must tell you, and I'm really trying hard. So, as per the NEP, which is the National Education Policy 2020, it has been mandated to include technology-related, cyber-related education.
Achha.
However, I'll tell you, schools में teachers also don't know. There is no set curriculum. Now, definitely it should be included in the school. Now certain schools also worry कि हम बच्चों को ही बता रहे हैं क्राइम हम जितना बताएंगे उनका उतना उनको पता चलेगा
तो वो करेंगे.
सो वो करेंगे
Right.
बट आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स हाउ इट शुड बी लुक्ड एट व्हाट चिल्ड्रन नीड टू बी टॉट is how you need to keep yourself safe when you are online. What are the red flags? Like how we teach, right? Good touch, bad touch.
Exactly.
So we need to teach all these things. Now that's not it. In school curriculums, I think what also needs to be handled is the emotional side of it. Because today children become vulnerable because of the emotional aspect.
Okay.
So today the predator is not actually hacking into the phone.
Right.
He's hacking into the emotion. Right? So children need to know how to handle their emotions. Now, adolescence, I think it's a very weird stage and a very difficult stage into a child's life, right? They are discovering themselves, their sexuality, hence curiosity. Now, also they are trying to establish themselves as, the alpha.
Correct.
They want to be the leader. And hence there are lots of incidences जो बचपन से मेरा दोस्त है, now they are also competition. Now there are many children and I'm telling you 100% children feel lonely at some stage of this journey. Now see, loneliness is the biggest problem. Loneliness, being bullied. When a child is in that state of mind and then when a child meets somebody online who tells that, oh, you know what, I totally get you. Your parents are not understanding. Your friends are not understanding. But I'm here. I'm here to help you. I will teach you stuff. When they meet someone like this, they are absolutely vulnerable. So, yes, school should have it. School should teach children what is the good side of it. They should also teach children what are the side that they should stay away from. जैसे हम थोड़ा सा मजाक मस्ती बच्चे सारे ही कर लेते हैं, right? You थोड़ा सा bully, tease. However, अभी with technology, when you start to bully, it goes to extents where children actually unknowingly fall on the wrong side of the law.
अच्छा.
तो उन्हें पता ही नहीं है, उनके हिसाब से वो मस्ती कर रहे हैं, बट इट बिकम्स क्रिमिनल and it scars them and remains with them for the rest of their lives.
How? Give me an example of this.
So for example, children will start bullying. Say कोई common group है, everybody joins in because peer pressure भी होता है, right? I'll give an example without taking names. Okay, this is one of the cases that we've managed. So there's a school in Mumbai wherein there were 15-16-year-old kids. One of the girl and the boy were into a relationship, and then during one of the intimate moments, they willingly recorded a video. Now this boy was flaunting, and it got shared in the classroom. Now the girl started getting called by names, and I don't want to take it now because now the girl was absolutely withdrawn. घर पे ना वो बात कर रही थी, ना किसी से बता रही थी. Normal things that she enjoyed doing, she didn't do. She was quieter. Now the girl's mother's friend was a psychologist, counselor,
child psychologist or something. Yeah.
So they planned it out. They went for a holiday, and then she started talking to the girl, and that's how she got to know what happened. Now the girl's father, and there were some 2-3 boys involved into it eventually. The girl's father now filed a complaint. अब वो लड़कों के जो माँ बाप है वो हाथ पांव पड़ रहे हैं कि गलती हो गई है, प्लीज़ आप ये केस वापस ले लीजिए. बट इमेजिन अ गर्ल्स फादर, राइट? हाउ कैन ही टेल द गर्ल कि जाने तो भूल जाओ? वो कैसे भूल जाए, राइट? बट नाउ व्हेन आई लुक एट द बॉयज, दे आर ऑल्सो चिल्ड्रन, सो I don't know what to do, right? So it's a situation like this. Now, if this is pursued further, the children will go into juvenile. It becomes a crime, right? So there are many such, even bullying. Cyberbullying actually is a punishable offense.
Okay.
So there are many such things which children indulge into. मस्ती, हम जब मस्ती करते थे ना तो वो हमारे ग्रुप में होता था.
Correct.
तभी टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं थी, तो फैलता ही नहीं था. अब ऐसा है कि वो पूरे इंटरनेट पे आ जाता है, पूरे क्लास पूरे स्कूल को पता चल जाता है. सो आई थिंक इट गोज आउट ऑफ हैंड, एंड आई थिंक चिल्ड्रन नीड टू नो अबाउट इट.
What is the age group would you say कि बच्चे इस एज में मोबाइल यूज़ करना शुरू कर देते हैं या इंटरनेट एक्सेस मिल जाता है?
सी, मैंने तो ना बहुत छोटे छोटे बच्चों को भी देखा हुआ है. ओके, आई हैव सीन पेरेंट्स फीडिंग देयर चिल्ड्रन एंड दे आर शोइंग सम कार्टून, सो वो एक्सपोजर तो शुरू हो गया है. एंड ह्यूमंस इवॉल्व. हमने चलाना सीखा कंप्यूटर, दीज किड्स जस्ट टेक द डिवाइस इन द हैंड एंड दे नो हाउ टू फिजिट एंड फिगर आउट, राइट? So now it depends. Children start very young, and I really think it's not healthy. While there are a lot of benefits, I think there has to be an age जब तक बच्चों को इससे दूरी रखना चाहिए. The further the better. So I have seen kids having mobile phones in grade 4, grade 5. I think that's too young.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, but they do have.
I also think that जब आप किसी बच्चे को ये नहीं समझा सकते कि इस चीज़ में, इस गैजेट में आप ये कर सकते हो लेकिन ये नहीं कर सकते हो, when you can't make them understand that this is where you draw the line, that means you should not, he or she is not ready to have that gadget.
Absolutely.
Because you can tell them कि अच्छा आप Peppa Pig देख सकते हो लेकिन किसी लिंक को क्लिक मत करना.
Correct.
They'll not know what a link is, and they click it, something opens, something happens, they just don't know, and very soon they'll start exploring it. It's like I was telling my 6-year-old कि जब दरवाजे की घंटी बजती है ना तो उसको नया नया सीखा उसने दरवाजा कैसे खोलना है, तो भाग के चला जाता है. And I've told him कि always look from the peephole first to see who it is before you open. If you know the person, then you open.
Yes.
तो वो थोड़ा सा दरवाजा खोलता है. He thinks he's peeping and that's okay. Right? So it is something that we have to teach the kids that this is not okay. Similarly, there has to be a certain way to teach the kids कि भाई this is not okay. Just click करके ऐसे देख लेना is not okay. It's not peeping. It's not the same as that.
So I'll tell you, Chavi, the thing is, it's not just the child who's clicking on the link. It is also served to them on platter.
Yeah, exactly.
If you're scrolling, हम भी कितनी बार, you come across links and reels which you don't want to see, and they are absolutely inappropriate. Like it's happened with me, wherein I put all the privacy controls, and I've had absolute porn material just popping up on my screen. So children are also served. So the design of the platform is such where it is first enticing the child to go further and further into the rabbit hole. And even if the child is not doing it, it is served to them. So, somewhere you can't even blame the child. तो जब तक वो समझ नहीं है, it's better to keep them away from internet.
बट ये भी बताइए कि ये जो प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं जैसे इंस्टाग्राम की बात करें या फेसबुक या स्नैपचैट इज़ वेरी पॉपुलर विद किड्स
Yeah.
नाउ डेज और
Yeah.
गेमिंग इज़
Yeah.
बिकमिंग सो पॉपुलर व्हाट इज़ द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द प्लेटफॉर्म्स इन दिस बिहेवियर दैट इज़ बीइंग सीन मतलब वो आपको क्या लगता है कि ये जानबूझ के किया जाता है एट अ सर्टन लेवल दे नो दैट दिस इज हैपनिंग एंड दे आर ओके विद द प्लेटफॉर्म्स ग्रोथ
Yeah.
in this aspect or do they have certain responsibility?
See, I'll tell you, platforms definitely have responsibility. Today, they are doing more than what they were doing earlier, right? Like, for example, Instagram has a 16 plus ka account, right? So, usme if a child wants some flexibility in the privacy, they need to have parental control. Similarly, I think YouTube has also put some stronger teen privacy features, and they've started with some AI-based recognition of the child.
Acha.
To see if they're minor or they've started in US. I think eventually it will come everywhere. Similarly, certain gaming platforms have also tightened their security, like Roblox after the fiasco that happened some time back. However, it is still not enough. The platforms ये अभी भी क्या डिपेंड करता है कि एक पेरेंट हो सेटिंग एक्सपर्ट और चाइल्ड हो हमारा प्रोडिजी जो वो फिगर आउट कर ले कि ये सेटिंग डालना है और जाके वो ऑन करे. Today, security is still outsourced to parents and children. I think the responsibility of the platform is to ensure that they have security by design and not outsource it to parents. So, yes, we are a long way from there, and platform should absolutely be responsible to ensure that security takes place, security happens.
But I'll tell you, a lot of parents what they do is कि बच्चों को जब फ़ोन दिया जाता है तो YouTube वगैरह पे साइन इन पेरेंट के अकाउंट से ही हुआ होता है. So what would you like to say to these kind of parents?
See, if your child is smarter than your password, congratulations and welcome to digital parenting. It's always going to happen. Your child learns. My son, as young as 8-9 year old, knew कि उसे अपने आप को 18 साल बताना है तब जाके उसको एक्सेस मिलेगा.
अच्छा.
Of course, so I tell him I keep watching कि कहाँ पर वो logged in है and what is the age that he's put, but I am still not 100% sure that he's not doing that, right? And in spite of he not having devices,
Right.
this is as and when he can snatch one, he's still doing it. So I think it's not a good practice to do that because see when you are not telling that you're a minor, then the platform is not responsible to
Correct.
make sure that they are putting some filters.
So what is the right thing to do? Should you create another account for the child and
You
allow
must
them to
create
sign in?
another account for the child and let the child use accordingly. However, that is still not 100%. It's not a surety that your child will still not be exposed to things that the child should not be exposed
So
to.
tell me, as what is digital parenting? What are the right steps to be taken?
I know. So, digital parents actually sits in between all this. Parents are the bridge between, I think, the child's digital world and the physical world. So today, as per me, digital parenting is not about saying कि बताओ तुम्हारा phone क्या देख रहे हो तुम.
हाँ.
It's not about that. Because your child will always outsmart you. I had so many restrictions as a child. I surpassed everything. I could do everything.
Same.
घर पे कुछ भी नहीं पता चला. So kids are always going to be smarter than you.
Correct.
I think what parents need to do is help their child build the judgment to know what is to be done, what is not to be done, when to identify that things are a little off, right?
Right.
They need to teach their children some basic stuff like don't overshare, pause, think, don't share. Because sharing is what also creates a lot of problems. Don't indulge in things which are not correct, like bullying or things like that. Nowadays AI bhi hai, so it's very easy for children to take and create something, and under peer pressure they bully. The other thing that I think we should also tell children is that as a parent, it's your responsibility that please name the discomfort. Name it when you feel कि ये थोड़ा सा weird लग रहा है, and not wait till a stage where it becomes scary, right? So these are the things that we need to teach our children under the cyber parenting umbrella. And the most important, let me tell you, we need to tell our children that if you ever find yourself in trouble, we are there to help you. You will not be reprimanded, you will not be punished. You are facing a situation and you need help, you deserve help. So this comfort the child should get, and cyber parenting is all about this.
And recently, like I think you were mentioning, you were referring to Adam Rain's suicide, which happened, right? तो ऐसा उसके बाद there were 7 other subsequent suicides which happened
Yes.
with teenagers, and इस चीज़ को कैसे रोका जा सकता है जहाँ पे बच्चे को या टीनेजर को ये लगने लगता है कि चैट जीपीटी या कोई भी एआई प्लेटफॉर्म इज़ माई फ्रेंड, आई कैन कन्फाइड इन देम एंड आई कैन यूज़ देम एज माई फ्रेंड एंड कॉन्फिडेंट एंड यू नो
Yeah.
टेक देयर एडवाइस.
Yeah.
उसमें मतलब पता ही नहीं चलता है हाउ कैन अ पेरेंट आइडेंटिफाई कि भाई ये हो रहा है मेरे बच्चे के साथ और मुझे ये स्टेप्स लेने चाहिए टू टेल माई चाइल्ड दैट आई एम द वन यू शुड ट्रस्ट एंड नॉट दिस प्लेटफॉर्म.
Yes, yes. So, you know, from a parent's point of view, Chavi, see, the platform has to do a lot, like we spoke, right? But the parent's responsibility is this. Today, it does not work if you scare your child or you tell your child that you cannot do this, else you're going to face consequences. The line of communication should be open in the house. I think parents and children together should set some rules in the house where the children also agree. So you cannot be having a say that मैंने कह दिया है तो ऐसा होगा, right? We need to agree. What it does is it does 2-3 things. One is it sets rules for everybody in the house and everybody should follow that what are the devices, when will the device be used, when will it go away, what is the time when devices are now no more to be touched and used, right? Second is what are the do's, what are the don'ts. So things that you can do, things where you need a permission, things that one should not indulge into, spreading things which you have not verified, cyberbullying, like I said, and things like that. So I think the line of communication needs to be open. Children need to be assured that if they are ever in a situation, we are your confidant. We are the guys who have the best interest. Yes, we may be angry. Yes, you may be finding us unapproachable at times, but it's the best interest. And parents के ऊपर ये बहुत बड़ी responsibility है छवि, that they make sure that their child understands this and feels that they can come to the parents whenever. Now all these incidences happen, you know, where parents are completely unaware of what is happening with the child's life. Also see, as a parent, na Chavi, what we need to keep, what we need to observe, you know. See, हम कहते थे ना, we spend quality time with children, not quantity time. But today, you know, you're able to give quality with a little quantity. You need to give a little quantity time also. I'm very busy, so I know it's so tough for people who are working. And these days, you know, there are lots of women who work, and of course men work, and we are nuclear families. But we need to observe our child. So, you know, if your child is looking withdrawn, not liking to do things that the child usually loved doing, you know, feeling a little anxious when you're passing by, when the child is on phone, quickly closing the app, not sleeping late, or, you know, getting up suddenly and watching, looking for, you know, some message or update, you know, these kind of things, or, you know, being obsessed by a friend and the child is not willing to talk about that friend. So, you know, these are the patterns that that parents should keep a watch on, and that's where something is wrong. So it's not a single incidence. एक बार आपके child ने बंद कर दिया, it's not, it doesn't mean.
Right, if
but
it's
you
a
have
pattern.
to observe these patterns, and that's where you know, you're able to then talk to the child, and you know, your child is not going to tell if you ask.
Yeah, exactly. So
आप
what do
बोले
you
क्या
do?
हो रहा है? No, you have to talk. Like, you have to be around to be able to talk. Like, the best time I feel with my son is in the car. You know, I don't ask, I just keep quiet. For बच्चे तो चुप रह नहीं पाते, so he'll get talking, and then you should know how, you know, your child. People, you know,
Yeah.
parents know your child, so you should then ask questions, lead them to asking, and generally also it's a good practice to know क्या हो रहा है, what is it that you're doing, what are you playing, and ask like ये कैसे होता है, I don't know. Like Discord is an app which I have downloaded and I'm struggling a little bit. So I asked my son, teach me, know how to do it. Like, Mama, what are you want to do on Discord? So I'm like, सिखा देना मुझे भी थोड़ा, मैं सीख जाऊंगी. So, you know, you need to have that communication, line of communication open. You need to be around your child to see what they are doing. Are they behaving normal? Is she the child that the child was?
Right.
So these are the things that you have to. It's a difficult job now.
It's difficult because you can't identify कि ये कुछ गड़बड़ है कि ये सिर्फ teenage आ गई है.
Yeah.
Are they just transforming into a teenager, or is this actually some kind of problem? It's difficult to
It
identify.
is difficult because, you know, teenage is also another a big situation to handle in
Yeah.
itself.
और वो तो थी ही शुरू से, उसके ऊपर से अब ये डिजिटल
Yes,
प्रेशर भी आ गया
yes,
है.
yeah. So, but you know what? As a child, as a parent, you will be able to identify these things which do not feel correct, and you need to probe a little. But you cannot be forceful. Again, you cannot say, "Tell me, I'm asking you what's wrong. You were not like that." It can't be like that. You have. It might take days, but you have to get your child to come around. And the child probably is also wanting to share, needs help, but does not know. So I think even when the child sees that the parent is actually looking like I can now share or I can tell, listen. And very important, अपना reaction को please control में रखना पड़ेगा, because your child is constantly watching you
Yeah.
to gauge कितना सच बताऊं,
Correct.
Correct?
How is this? How
Yeah.
was this received?
कितना बताऊं. So we've done that too, right? आधा सच बोल के फिर कहानी बदल दी पूरी. So you need to control your reactions and emotions, and that's the first thing. If you figure out that something is going wrong, the first thing is managing the situation, controlling the emotion, assuring the child. I think these are the important things that needs to be.
एंड टेल मी कि एज अ पेरेंट आई नो कि हमारे बच्चे बहुत बार हमारा फ़ोन लेके बैठ जाते हैं, कुछ कुछ करते रहते हैं.
Correct.
हाउ सेफ इज़ दैट?
It's not, because your phone is your phone, an adult's phone. You have not put your privacy settings onto your phone, so your child could just just go into anything, and your child might be able to see just about anything. And see, plus I feel that आपका phone आपका है. It's not that you have secrets, but why should the child even see what you're doing? Why should the child even read your message? For example, if they're just simply reading a message or your mails, I think it's not a good practice. One should not hand over devices to children. कभी कुछ अगर check करना है, because children don't have devices. Like my child doesn't have a device, and there is something that he wants. I will be there, let him check, and tell him you have to give it back. You can't now go here and there, and it's not for you to use it right now. I've given you for a purpose. Look at it and return it. Absolutely. Or even better, I will search for you. I'll tell you. Let's do it together.
Yeah, in fact, I got into an argument with some friends one night, where ये बात हुई कि कि बच्चों के हाथ में आप फ़ोन दे देते हैं, और she's chatting with some friends on your WhatsApp.
Yeah.
How can you allow that? And then they were like, why? I don't have anything to hide. Why don't you give your phone to your kids? And I said, I made the same point.
Correct.
That I don't give my phone to my child because it's my phone.
Correct.
It's my world. It's
Correct.
not a world that I want them to be a part of
Absolutely.
at this point. It's not about hiding.
Correct.
But it's about divulging information at the right age.
Yes.
Like how,
Yes.
मतलब जैसे आप good touch, bad touch की बात कर रहे हो, तो उसका भी एक तरीका होता है ना बताने का.
Yes.
You can't tell a 4-year-old or a 2-year-old. In fact, I was talking to some child sex educator who said sex education for children starts at 2.
Oh, that's
but you
too
can't
early.
you can't tell them. It's not that you start telling them about sex at the
Correct.
age of 2. There is a certain thing that you tell them.
Correct.
Maybe part recognition, maybe something. So everything comes at a certain age. So you
Yes.
cannot give your phone to your. Also, I want to ask you कि recently अभी जैसे हम पढ़ते हैं cases में कि बच्चा कोई गेमिंग ऐप पर है, फिर उसने वहाँ पे कुछ उसको prompt मिला कि जाओ डैड के फ़ोन पे ये ऐप डाउनलोड कर दो, फिर डिलीट कर देना something.
Yeah.
What can happen? I mean, if you talk about the more serious effects of giving your phone into your child's hand,
Yeah.
what are the more serious damages you can?
So, see, Chavi, what happens is, now children are not going there to do these crimes, right? This child is a victim, clearly. Now, where is the predator? The predator is not on some scary website. The child is doing things like that only. Maybe through your device or maybe through the child's own device, जहाँ पर आपने privacy setting कर रखी है. Now, these predators are where? They are there where you want your child to be. So, the child must be on a learning platform. The child must be on some group, school group. And maybe the child is playing a game जो आपने approve कर रखा है. Yeah, it's on your age limit. आप खेल सकते हो. Now, the predators are also hanging out there only.
Correct.
Correct? What they do is they first establish a connect. Simply by saying, nice play. Which class you're in. Can you share the notes? And things like that. Now the problem starts to happen is when this connect becomes a connection. Now then they become friend, and the child really doesn't know who's this. Children know the other person only through a username. They don't know ये सामने है कौन.
correct.
ये कोई adult है जो बच्चा बता, I have no clue. वो तो सोच भी नहीं पाते इतना, right? Now, when this becomes like a friendship, like for example, बोल सकते हैं, I'll give you free skins, I'll give you free game currencies.
Correct.
Right? या फिर मैं I can help you with something, I can help you better in this game. So now this person portrays like a mentor or a very good friend, and धीरे से gets the child to come on a private chat.
Oh.
Now see, here is where the escalation happens, because now the control, all your security controls are gone. Correct? Because the child is on a one-on-one chat with this person. Now this is where धीरे धीरे this predator now will talk sweeter, will tell things and ask the child to keep it a secret. वो कहेगा मत बताओ, आपके पेरेंट्स नहीं समझ पाएंगे. आई एम देयर, आई अंडरस्टैंड यू,
Right.
नो नीड टू टेल. इट्स जस्ट कुछ नहीं है, हमारा रिलेशन थोड़ी ना दूसरे रिलेशन की तरह. दिस इज हाउ इट जस्ट प्रोग्रेसेस. एंड द वर्स्ट इज दैट द चाइल्ड इज नॉट स्कैर्ड. द चाइल्ड इज एक्चुअली मेड टू फील वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. द चाइल्ड इज मेड टू फील wanted. The child is made to feel loved. Now here, but the child is not realizing that the child is actually getting groomed.
Oh my God.
Right? Then it starts with exchange of pictures. या फिर picture ले लिया, अभी AI भी है. However, the child starts to, share things, and now here the child is completely in the trap. Now the predator starts telling the child, don't tell. If you tell, I will share it with your parents. And they will be upset. Now, they will be upset is also a big problem, for the child. Forget that. I will share it with your friends. And this is where the child is scared, and they now are a puppet in the predator's hand. And here the child is not able to go to anybody and talk to anybody.
Because they feel many.
They feel threatened. They feel scared. They also feel scared for the family.
Right.
So, the children are actually victimized in a very ugly manner. And here the open communication helps, with the parent. We need to tell the child that you owe nothing to anybody online. If somebody is asking you to do things to hide, you need to come to us and tell us. That confidence needs to be built in the child by the parents. See, also, Chavi, I think just the other part of this is that, as parents, we need to ensure that the child also has a healthy physical life. Like, they have friends, they are doing some activity, could be anything, could be art, could be a game, a sport. There should be connection with the extended family. The child should have friends, should have cousins who they meet with. The child should know that in case you're not able to contact me, in case you need to talk to somebody ki kuch ho raha hai, identify 2 people in the family, mama, masi, chacha, whoever. You can talk to them, your trusted people. Give those support system, make that support system available to a child, because an emotionally strong child is less likely to fall prey to such things online.
Correct. कुछ तो support system बाहर
Yes.
होना चाहिए, even if you feel scared of your parents.
Yes.
They should. I remember when I was very young, I used to walk to school and walk back from school. तो एक लड़का था जो मुझे follow करता. I was very young. I must be around 12, 13 maybe.
Yeah.
He used to follow me back home every day, and one day he held my hand and I got very traumatized because he just wouldn't leave. And I came back home running and crying, but I didn't tell my parents. I didn't tell anybody because I thought it was my fault.
Correct.
Somehow I thought it was my fault.
Correct.
कि मैंने कभी बताया ही नहीं कि वो मुझे follow करते. मुझे बताना चाहिए था.
Correct.
I have 2 elder brothers
Correct.
at home. They would have done something,
Yeah.
And then it was luckily the last day of school that day, and we were going to meet my cousins for the vacation. And I told my sister, my cousin sister, and she got very furious that I didn't tell anybody. And she told my mom, and I was very upset with her. Why would you do that? Don't do that. Please don't do that. But my mom really came out in my support, and she said
Yeah.
that you should have told me. It's not your fault.
Correct.
अभी बताना next time होगा तो मैं भाई को भेजूंगी तुम्हारे साथ. ऐसे नहीं हो सकता. So I'm saying children from that perspective always feel that
Yeah.
no, कुछ तो गड़बड़ होगा.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's our responsibility as parents to
Yes.
develop that trust whenever we get a chance.
Yes. Yes. The child should know that मैंने अभी इतना आगे पहुंच गया हूँ मैं. There were many instances where I could have spoken.
हाँ.
I did not. But still, the child should
okay.
know that I
Yeah.
can still talk and nothing will go wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so this is about the child feeling threatened online,
Yes.
right? और क्या इस तरह के फ्रॉड्स होते हैं, कुछ फाइनेंशियल फ्रॉड और एनीथिंग एल्स दैट कैन हैपन ऑनलाइन बिकॉज ऑफ अ चाइल्ड यूजिंग अ गैजेट?
सी बच्चों के साथ तो बच्चों को किसी भी तरह से यूज़ कर, लाइक यू वर मेंशनिंग राइट, वो फादर का
हाँ,
डाल दिया, फिर निकलवा भी लिया, राइट, वो एक ट्रांजैक्शन के बाद में. बट फाइनेंशियल फ्रॉड से ज़्यादा ट्रॉमेटाइजिंग इज़ व्हाट फॉर चिल्ड्रन इज़ दे बीइंग यूज्ड, and there is something which is called as CSAM.
हाँ.
It is, I would like to name it properly, it's child sexual abuse material, right? Here the child is used to groom and then to pull into porn,
Oh.
okay, sextortion and stuff like that. And here the child is victim. So we cannot call it child porn, ये word जो है ना बिल्कुल गलत है, because the child is not indulging in that porn. The child is a victim and hence it is CSAM. So these things extreme है, but ये होता है. इससे लोअर लेवल के जो होते हैं जहाँ पे चिल्ड्रन आर अब्यूज्ड, मतलब कि peer on peer abuse होता है कितनी बार, wherein there is a group of children, one person is targeted. Now even children, it's very easy to create AI images. So there are nudify apps and tools where children use, and then they publish within the group and they are made a joke out of, but it's very traumatizing. Such children, there are numbers where such children have committed suicide. Such children are there are many children who have come out very well and now are very normal. However, timely intervention, counseling is required. But yeah, these things also happen to children. So they are used in many ways. Predators use, peers use.
So ये जो predators होते हैं जो grooming करते हैं और इन सब चीज़ों में, what is their motive? Like, is it just cheap thrills or is it money? What is it?
See, many a times money hai. Like when I say CSAM, what they do is they create and they circulate, and that's money.
And then they extort.
They're extra. But there are also people who just do it for fun. Not fun, I would say they have this sadist sense, and they do it for that, the sense of control and being able to get the child to do what they want. Also, there are these groups jahan par the grosser the thing that you've managed to get out of the child, the more cred you have in your circle.
Oh my God.
So there are these networks as well. बहुत सारे हैं. I will not name them, okay? Why I will not name them is because this is what they want. They want popularity. वो चाहते हैं कि हमारा नाम famous हो जाए. So I will not take their names. But there are such groups, and there's one which is very active in the US at the moment, but it's there across the world. It's a network of people. They also don't know about each other. Created by a 15-year-old, somewhere around 21 or something. They groom children like this, and then they get the children to, like, I've seen evidences and videos of a girl made to go live, cut her hair and eat her hair, right? Then the child is forced and coerced to hurt or kill their pet, hurt or kill the grandparents, hurt or kill their parents. They're just made to do these things. So it can go to an extent we cannot even imagine. And hence, awareness, Chavi, I keep saying this, awareness is the key to all this.
And these groups you said are created by what age group?
This was the one specific one that I'm talking was a 15-year-old. Yeah.
My God, I'm like totally speechless to hear something like that.
Yeah.
I mean, what is the world coming to? And I
Yeah.
think it's all because of the internet, because
Yeah.
everything is within your reach right now.
So,
Exposure कितनी जल्दी हो जाता है इन
yeah,
चीज़ों पे।
internet is inevitable. Technology is inevitable. It's going to happen. I think, we used to say, it takes, I think in Japan they say, right? It takes a village to raise a child. Now, it is true more than, it's never been more true than before. Because when you're bringing up a child now in a digital and cyber world, parents and house need to be careful. School also need to participate, right? School need to educate, have a structured program, have a structured emotional well-being program, have an empathetic program in place to say what you should not do, how it affects the other person. And the whole ecosystem needs to come together to bring these children up, because ये जाने नहीं वाला है.
Very true.
We need to learn how to live, and I think it's high time we all realize that just by not exposing is not enough.
Correct.
You might not give a device, but your child is playing down. Somebody else may have a device. Some adult may expose your child to something. Your child should be aware. सब कुछ सिखाना चाहिए. हम कैसे सिखाते थे, राइट? जल्दी घर पे आ जाओ, रोड कैसे क्रॉस करना है, स्ट्रेंजर से कुछ लेके नहीं खाओ. तुमने थोड़ी ना रोड क्रॉस करना बैन कर दिया. You never banned crossing road. You taught how to cross a road. So it's the same logic that and same rules that apply in the digital world as well.
It's just out there. You cannot just...
You
If you
can't.
shut your eyes, it's not like it's going to
Yes.
go away.
Yes.
And tell me, where does the law stand on this? Cyber law. अगर ऐसा कुछ, let's say कोई वीडियो किसी का लीक हो गया या इस तरह से कोई बच्चा किसी चीज़ में फंस गया. So is there like साइबर सिक्योरिटी में कुछ ऐसा होता है कि आप सब जगह से उसको बैन कर दो या कुछ?
So you know what, the law is very strong on papers. Actually, it is stronger than what most of us even realize. So the law actually has a multi-pronged approach. So there are laws around safety for children, and then there is also the cyber law. So there is a law which is POCSO, which is Protection of Children Against Sexual Offences Act, where the child is protected against all these crimes, including pornography and stuff like that. And it also requires, there's a requirement of reporting as well, which means that if you are aware that it might be happening, even if you're suspicious, you're required to go and file a complaint. So
Okay.
the law is like that.
Okay.
The second part is the IT Act. Now, under the IT Act specifically, all these content which is created digitally also is covered. So it's not just about creating, it's about even looking up for it, circulating, storing, downloading. All of this becomes criminal offense.
Okay.
So the law is actually very robust. Now, why do I say robust on paper? Is because the enforcement piece is where the battle is. Because all these crimes, they spread with the speed of forwarding, right? But the law runs at the speed of protocols and processes, right? And the gap is where the offenders try to take the advantage. So I think what we need is a stronger and a faster mechanism of reporting, transparency in the outcome. But the good news is that the cybercrime ecosystem of the country is also now responding, and they have created a lot of robust ecosystems. So if you're reporting something, you can report digitally online at cybercrime.gov.in. आप वहाँ पे जाके report कर सकते हो. It goes to a central database, IC4, जहाँ पे ये जो भी image आप जिसकी बात कर रहे हो वो उसका hash हो जाता है, and then it is passed on to everybody to bring it down. So even the platforms like your social media platforms, etc., are supposed to be looking at it and putting it down.
Okay.
So these things are being done. However, we need a faster, robust process to match up with the speed of internet.
Because once it goes viral on WhatsApp or something, then there's no way of stopping
Yeah,
it,
even when you bring it down, the footprints are left. It does not disappear.
And is it possible to identify the source of the leak?
Yes, there is definitely. There are many
So an arrest can be made.
An arrest can be made. However, not in 100% of the cases. The criminals use VPNs. They use they mask. So there are lots of ways in which they also mask themselves. And then the servers are all across the place. It's not like your house computer जहाँ पे आप बैठ के कर रहे हो to just catch hold so simply. The cyber criminals are also very, very smart. So it's not really possible all the time. But yes, speed is of essence. Quickly highlighting it, reporting it is the key, and we do see results.
And what is the dark web?
So see, the dark web is another. हमारा जो normal सा website होता है, there is another a parallel universe on the internet. जो dark web है जो बहुत बुरा है, वहाँ पे ना हमें जाना नहीं चाहिए. वहाँ you have all sorts of things happening there. You are able to call for weapons if you like. You are able to call for drugs if you like. You are able to buy data if you like. So there's a lot of things that happen there, and it's absolutely a no-no, to even venture in that.
Is it traceable?
It is traceable. So the law enforcements actually go there. They are there.
Okay.
So even we sometimes go because our job is such to keep a track of things and to also be updated or to... Yes, the law enforcement are on the dark web all the time to see what's happening. They also create their profiles like one of those to figure out what's happening.
Undercover.
Yeah, undercover. So there's a lot of stuff happening there. And yeah, ऐसा नहीं है कि enforcement को पता नहीं है, judiciary को पता नहीं है. And they are also actively doing a lot of work in that space to catch hold. But you know, like I said, right, these cyber criminals are very fast.
Correct.
We are just catching up with them. So
It's like the law enforcement is the parents, cyber criminals are the kids. They'll always find a way.
yes,
Around
right. So it's extremely fast. So yeah, so the catching up is still happening, and that gap needs to be narrowed.
And is the dark web something where you can reach by clicking the wrong link?
So there are many links which takes you to the dark web.
Huh.
There are, but when you consciously go onto the dark web searching for something, it's a different URL and a different way of doing that. You don't just enter your URL and enter there. But yeah, there, if you go to websites which are not prominent, some weird website you've never heard of, there are links which take you to the dark web. So it's always better, even if you're shopping, to shop from a known platform.
Right.
Where don't fall for things which are too good, and you know those basic rules
90%
that we know.
discount.
Correct.
99% discount.
Too good to be true, yeah.
This was a very insightful conversation and I want to say कि हम as adults ही अपने आप को protect नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. बच्चों को क्या protect करेंगे?
Right.
But I think just as any generation, this is what my takeaway is कि हर generation के अपने challenges होते हैं. हमारा बहुत बड़ा challenge ये है कि कैसे उन्हें protect किया जाए is a big question. But like you rightly said कि हमारे टाइम पे पेरेंट्स हमें रोड क्रॉस करना सिखाते थे.
Correct.
हमारा फ़र्ज़ है हम उन्हें ये चीज़ें सिखाएं.
Correct.
And I remember as a child, the only gadget, I mean, relevant gadget that we had in the house was a landline.
Yes.
तो landline जो थी वो हर फ्लोर पे
Correct.
landline होती, जिसकी एक ही नंबर एक ही होता था.
हाँ, but connection सब जगह
तो
था.
बात किसी से अगर करनी है तो अलाउड नहीं होता था लड़कों से बात करना.
Yeah.
So I had a different gadget in my room जो मैं निकाल के फटाफट छुपा देती थी. So you know we always found
Yes.
our own way to work
Yes.
around things, and our kids are doing the same. It's
Correct.
important that confrontation doesn't happen the way it used to in our time, because
Yes.
confrontation today is going to have much worse इफेक्ट ऑन द चाइल्ड एज इट डिड ऑन अस. हम क्या ही गुनाह कर लेते थे अपने टाइम में, लेकिन आज बच्चों के पास बहुत सारे एवेन्यूज़ हैं जो उन्हें समझ में नहीं आते हैं. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी अ गुड डिजिटल पेरेंट. All the best with that, and if you have a good technique that you use with your child to monitor their activities online, please let us also know in the comments. Let's start a healthy discussion around it. I hope you enjoyed this conversation and had a lot to take away from it. Please don't forget to like this episode and share it. You're watching Candid Confessions with Chavi. This is both of us signing out. Love and peace from us to you.